हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्रोफेशनल ड्राफ्ट बाय आसी। दोस्तों, होप आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे और सुरक्षित होंगे। प्लीज़ अपना ख्याल रखें और अपने वैक्सीनेशन प्रोसेस को पूरा करें। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स ने हमें काफ़ी सारे टॉपिक्स भेजे हैं जिन पर उन्होंने हमसे वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं। उसी को फॉलो करते हुए आज के वीडियो में हम बनाएंगे जॉब ऑफर लेटर। फ्रेंड्स, यूजुअली हम अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर और जॉब ऑफर लेटर में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। इसमें सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस ये है कि ऑफर लेटर कैंडिडेट को पहले दिया जाता है, जिसमें ब्रीफली ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन को ही बताया जाता है, जैसे कि सैलरी, जॉब टाइटल, बेनिफिट्स एंड अवार्ड्स, जॉइनिंग डेट एक्सेट्रा। जबकि अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर में डिटेल्ड में कंपनी के कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट, टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस फॉर जॉइनिंग, लीविंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एक्सेट्रा डिटेल में मेंशन होता है। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले दोस्तों, अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर ले और साथ ही इस बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करें, जिससे आपको हमारे आने वाले वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस मिल जाएंगे। दोस्तों, जॉब ऑफर लेटर बनाते समय कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपको ज़रूर इंक्लूड करना चाहिए। जॉब टाइटल ज़रूर मेंशन होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट, जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन मेंशन होना चाहिए। कैंडिडेट की ज्वाइनिंग डेट क्या रहेगी वो ज़रूर मेंशन होना चाहिए। उसका वर्क शेड्यूल क्या रहेगा ये भी मेंशन होना चाहिए। उसका रिपोर्टिंग स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा या किसे होगा ये मेंशन होना चाहिए। सैलरी, कॉम्पेंसेशन, बोनस या कमीशन जो भी है वो ज़रूर मेंशन होना चाहिए। कब सैलरी मिलेगी यानी कि कौन सी तारीख को, वो भी मेंशन होना चाहिए। अगर एम्प्लॉय को कोई बेनिफिट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दे रहे हैं तो वो भी मेंशन होना चाहिए। कंपनी प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी ये ऑप्शनल है क्योंकि ये ज़्यादातर अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर में मेंशन होता है। और टर्मिनेशन कंडीशंस अगेन ये भी ऑप्शनल है क्योंकि ये अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर का पार्ट होता है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, अब हम बनाना शुरू करेंगे अपने जॉब ऑफर लेटर्स। तो इसमें सबसे पहला टाइप है जॉब ऑफर लेटर सिंपल टाइप। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं। टू बी मेड ऑन द कंपनी लेटर हेड ऑफर लेटर, डेट टू मिस्टर डी आहूजा, 237 ब्लॉक बी, सिविल लाइन्स, दिल्ली। डियर मिस्टर आहूजा, congratulations. We are pleased to confirm that you have been selected as purchase manager in ANC Private Limited with annual gross salary of 5 lakhs per annum. You will be reporting directly to the head of the department, Mr. A. Rana. As mutually discussed, we kindly request to join organization on 3rd May 2022. On the date of joining, please report to company HR Ms. Kiran Singh for documentation and orientation. By signing this letter and return back to us in next 2 days from the date of receipt of this letter indicating your acceptance for this offer. We are confident that you will make significant contribution to the success of our company and we look forward to working with you. Sincerely, your name, your company name, followed by acceptance employee name. Next type है offer letter of employment describing brief of the company. तो चलिए दोस्तों, स्टार्ट करते हैं। To be made on the company letterhead offer letter, date to Miss Ankita Chauhan, 297 Block B, Civil Lines, Delhi. Dear Miss Ankita, congratulations. We are delighted to offer you the position of software developer in our organization, WD Software Solutions. The company is a subsidiary of German company and is a pioneer in the field of providing best security software services to major clients in India and abroad. The company has branches in Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, and Delhi. If you join our organization, you will become a part of fast-paced and dedicated team that works together to provide best products and services to major clients like Tata, Birla, HDFC Bank, etc. As a member of our team, we will ask for your commitment to deliver outstanding quality and results that exceed client expectations. In addition, we expect your personality, accountability in all products, actions, advice and results that you provide as representative of our organization, along with supervision of our highly skilled team. In return, we are committed to provide you with every opportunity to learn and grow to the highest level of your ability and potential. You will be joining at our Delhi branch and on the date of joining shall report to the head of the department, Mr. Amit Kumar. Your annual gross salary will be 8 lakhs per annum. Other benefits will be explained during the orientation. To accept this offer, we request to please sign this letter indicating your acceptance and return the same in soft copy by 10th May, followed by hard copy to be submitted on the date of joining, that is on 6th June. We are confident that you will find this new opportunity both challenging and rewarding. Sincerely, your name, followed by your company name, followed by acceptance of employee name. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट टाइप है ऑफर लेटर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट डिस्क्राइबिंग बेनिफिट्स एंड अवार्ड स्कीम। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं। To be made on the company letterhead offer letter, date to Mr. Rahul Chandra, 217 Block S, Civil Lines, Delhi. Dear Mr. Chandra, we are pleased to offer you a job as a position of Marketing Manager. You will be reporting to Marketing Director. Please note that your employment with PRS Private Limited is at will basis, which means you and the company are free to terminate the employment relationship at any time for any reason. We will be offering you an annual gross salary of 6 lakh per annum along with following bonus and benefits. You will be entitled to 2% of commission on the sales target achieved by your team self. Additional 10% of your salary will be rewarded as bonus each year. During your employment with the company, you will be given health insurance of amount 1 lakh and medical coverage of about 2 lakhs. Your conveyance will be paid extra as per actual upon submission of relevant bills. Telephone with postpaid connection will be given by the company. Annual paid leaves will be 15 days per year excluding the national and other leaves. In case of any mishappening during the duty hours, the company will pay amount of 5 lakhs as compensation. Your date of joining will be 1st May. Prior the date of joining, you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement with the company, confirming the confidentiality of the knowledge you obtain about products and services during the term of employment for marketing purpose. If all of the above is acceptable, please sign this offer letter and return it by mail in next 48 hours. On the day of joining, please reach to HR to complete your documentation and other formalities. We are looking forward to having you on our team. Sincerely, your name followed by company name followed by employee acceptance. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट टाइप है ऑफर लेटर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स। तो चलिए दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑन द कंपनी लेटर हेड डेट टू मिस पूजा त्रिपाठी 267 ब्लॉक एस सिविल लाइन्स दिल्ली। डियर मिस त्रिपाठी, आवर कंपनी TUV Realtors Limited pleased to inform you that we are offering you part-time employment as telecaller executive in sales department. Your primary responsibilities are to make sales call to the potential clients provided to you by sales department and generate leads. Your employment will start from 1st May onwards at monthly salary of 10,000 per annum credited directly at your account on 10th day of the month. Your duty hours will be from 10 am to 2 pm Monday to Friday. Please note that this is only a part-time job, so you will not be entitled to equal benefits and rewards as compared to other regular employees. However, you will receive an health insurance of amount 25,000 and 2% commission upon successful business generated from your leads. If the above is acceptable, please indicate your acceptance by signing this offer letter at area provided below and send us the soft copy by email and hard copy to be submitted on the date of joining. We are confident that your skill and experience will be valuable to our company. We look forward to working with you. Sincerely, your name followed by company name followed by employee acceptance. इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स नेक्स्ट टाइप है ऑफर लेटर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट पार्ट टाइम टू फुल टाइम ऑफर लेटर। तो चलिए दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। टू बी मेड ऑन द कंपनी लेटर हेड डेट टू मिस पूजा त्रिपाठी 267 ब्लॉक एस सिविल लाइन्स दिल्ली। डियर मिस त्रिपाठी, congratulations. We are excited to announce that we are offering to extend your employment status from part-time to full-time as of 10th May 2022. Please find the terms and conditions of your new employment contract below. Position: you will be working in same position as telecaller under the marketing department. You will be report to department head Mr. K. Naran. Working hours: your working hours will be 10 am to 6:30 pm from Monday to Friday. Compensation: your annual gross salary will be 3,60,000 plus 2% commission on the successful business generation from your leads. Bonus: you are entitled to 1 month's salary as bonus will be awarded in the month of April. Benefits: as a full-time employee, you will receive health insurance of amount 1 lakh and medical claim of amount 50,000 and also 15 days paid leave per year. You will also be eligible for any additional employee benefits that company may provide in future. If you wish to accept the above, kindly sign this offer letter to the area provided and return back by 5th May. Congratulations again, and we expect similar service and support you offer to the company during your employment in the part-time. Sincerely, your name followed by company name followed by employee acceptance. इसके बाद दोस्तों आता है लास्ट टाइप ऑफर लेटर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रमोशन जॉब ऑफर। तो चलिए दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। टू बी मेड ऑन द कंपनी लेटर हेड डेट टू मिस्टर राकेश खत्री 289 Block S, Civil Lines, Delhi. Dear Mr. Rakesh Khatri, congratulations on your new role of Senior Accountant Manager. As discussed, we are happy to officially promote you to Senior Account Manager as of 1st May 2022. Given below your updated additional benefits and reward structure. Compensation. Your gross salary is now 8 lakhs per annum. Additional benefits. You will receive 10 extra paid leaves and your health insurance increased to 1 lakh. Besides this, you will receive 2 months salary as bonus at the end of each financial year. Please reach to HR department after signing this offer letter to indicate your acceptance. We appreciate your hard work and commitment towards the company in the past 5 years. We all look forward to seeing you to achieve greater things in your new role. Congratulations, sincerely your name followed by company name followed by employee acceptance. तो दोस्तों यहाँ ख़त्म होते हैं हमारे सारे जॉब ऑफर लेटर्स। ऑफ कोर्स इनको आप प्रिफर करके अपने अकॉर्डिंग अपने जॉब लेटर्स कंपनी के लिए बना सकते हैं, और अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। दोस्तों होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें और साथ ही अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड क्लोज वंस के साथ भी शेयर करें। ओके फ्रेंड्स, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।